Hi everybody, it's Heather with One Organized Mom. Today we're going to talk about clean doesn't have a smell. I know, crazy, right? But it doesn't. A clean home means a home fresh of chemical smells. It's really hard to understand, I know, but just bear with me on this. Go to your sink, underneath your kitchen sink, or underneath your bathroom sink, or in your laundry room. Get the chemicals that you have. Some of the harsh chemicals are just not healthy for us in our family. Studies have shown that being around harsh chemicals is like the equivalent to smoking a pack of cigarettes a day for 10 years. Holy smokes, who would have thought this, right? Instead, here's some other choices that you can use instead of those harsh chemicals. You can use vinegar, you can use alcohol, hydrogen peroxide. These are earth-friendly products, and if you don't like the smell, you can use the little essential oils in them, and they work just as good. Another tip along with using essential oils is having fresh flowers. Who doesn't love to have fresh flowers in the house, right? And if you don't want to worry about the chemicals, just call One Organized Mom and we'll take care of the rest.